Every single scale will have an on and off button. As we cycle through the unit button, you will be able to see that it registers in ounces, grams, and kilograms. For our purposes, we're just gonna keep it on grams, so just make sure you see 0G. I'm going to show you guys 2 ways that you can use a food scale. First, just place a tray or a bowl or whatever you would like. Place it on top of your scale, ensure that the scale is off, and then turn it on. You will see that it's 0. That way the scale just understands that everything's zeroed out. If you lift the bowl or the tray, you will actually see the weight of that showing up in negative. Another way to just get the scale to zero out, you can turn it on, put your tray or bowl on top of the scale, and if you press the 0 or the timeout button, which is a Z or T, it will just zero out the weight of the tray or bowl to 0, so you can start measuring your food. Lastly, we're gonna record our proteins, fats, and carbs. So whatever number you see on the scale in grams, you're gonna wanna record that for your MyFitnessPal or send it to your coach. That way we can track all of your macronutrients.